Yes, me there again, my people. Big up, respect and manners to each and every one. My people, I'm going to present videos to you that have been brought to my attention while I was out in the public to the viewers and subscribers. So may I say, yeah, and you're going to see me looking at those videos while I was inside of a business place. All right. So first up, viewers and subscribers, I'm going to present a video to you that I've recorded in Jamaica. And this video is going to show some things that happened at the scene of where a truck collided with a bus. I mean that the video shows a truck that was being driven by someone and a bus that was being driven by someone that somehow collided with each other, viewers and subscribers. Now, I did not get any confirmed information to determine about any form of injury nor fatality, viewers and subscribers. However, the video shows a certain amount of persons who was doing whatsoever they could to assist a person who was inside of the bus, viewers and subscribers. And you might be surprised to know who that person be. You see what I say? And in the video, you can hear when at least one person said the word pin along with other words as well. Viewers and subscribers, I just want to have an understanding about the situation. You can also let me know what you think about the situation. Now, please bear in mind that some of the scenes in this video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewer discretion is advised. Observe.
I wish I had a word for pass around so. I told you to go. Now what I say? Let me move off that scene for. I don't like him, I don't move much, I move it up. Jaja. This can't come off and then the span of it pull up. One prize back here, sir. Alright, driver. On the pin in there? Yeah. And call police already? I'm going to driver. Prophetess? Yeah, do you know bus though? What do you mean if me not bus, man? What do you mean if me not bus? Hey, where can I put it up? A prize. Nah, go on there. Upper leak someone.
Now, pardon the light and the quality of the video when me out in the business place there. I don't know, sometimes the sunlight kind of make the camera go a certain different ways. As I say, now my people, overall, I only hope that whoever was involved in that incident are okay. As I say, yeah, I mean, persons who was involved in the incident, I'm going to say them okay, viewers and subscribers. Me get some unconfirmed information about the driver of the bus. You understand? I got unconfirmed information about the driver of the bus, viewers and subscribers. But I say some of the times, some of these situations don't really and truly make headlines. This video has been brought to my attention, so I'm just going to make you know about it. And with that, I'm going to move on to another video, my people. Oh, and if you're new to my channel, don't be afraid to click the subscribe button and click the notification bell as well. All right, Now here I'm going to present another video to you, and this video is going to show some things that happened at the scene of where a motor vehicle went off-road and hit at least 2 other motor vehicles viewing subscribers. You see me I say? Yeah, the reason why I said at least 2 other motor vehicles is because the video actually shows I think about 3 motor vehicles that have been damaged to viewing subscribers. And I say the video also shows a person who was laying on the ground viewing subscribers, but I didn't get any confirmed information to determine if that person had been badly injured or not. You understand me? But the video shows the person laying on the ground viewing subscribers. You understand me? Now, one of the reasons why I'm presenting this video to you is to help bring an awareness. Even though someone who can hear talking in the video said Bahamas, I don't have any confirmed information as to exactly where and when the video will be recorded. Saying, but more I look and listen to the video and tell me what I think about the situation. Now, please bear in mind that some of the scenes in this video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewer discretion is advised. Observe.
See that happen? He run off the road, mash up the sign. Now look at my car. 3 cars collision. 2 vehicles were parked. You see this? Bahamas, stop speeding, stop overtaking. You see that? My vehicle mash, cannot drive this evening. You see? The lady vehicle would park beside me. And guess what? I just was about to go walk to my car. If I did walk towards my car, just is gonna happen. This truck is gonna run on me. See this? Wheel turn. See the wheel? Turn. Can't drive. See ya? Lady windshield brake. All aside. See ya? That's a totally different car. You see this? You see this? Man. See this? I just pray the young man is okay. Y'all pray for him that he okay. Oh, that's it. See this? Yeah.
Yeah, my people. So I hope that video brings some form of awareness. You see me? And the thing about it is that more I say to each and every motorist, it come like me saying these things over and over in certain videos. Me just feel that way because I know me alone I said this, enough people said this, you know, government representatives said this and all them things. You know, take your time on the road. Take your time when you drive on the road, you know, cut down your speed, be very careful. And we know that accidents can happen and accidents sometimes do happen, but that still not gonna stop me if I say to each and every motorist, not take no time on the road. You understand? See, I'm not talking about the one them where bap and I drive along certain ways. You know, I'm not talking about the people them where I'm not talking about the motorists who are drive good. I have to big up those motorists. So I say, big up those motorists who drive motor vehicles good and, you know, try to do everything as safe as they can for themselves and for others. But as for the one them where boom, boom, like some Dover race or some racing track thing, those type of drivers need to cut them speed and realize what them do. You see me I say, I'm not trying to be disrespectful to anyone, I try to put a good word out there. Yeah, so I left it my people. So big up and respect to each and every one, and let me know what you think about those situations. And until the next time, my name is Dancehall Skilla.